Horizontal cross-section. Like the vertical cross-section, the horizontal cross-section can be used to constrain your view, so you can do picking and placement of survey points in a constrained way. So like the vertical cross-section, also the horizontal cross-section works on cut planes. So we're going to go to Tools here, and then I like to start off just with Configure because it opens up the activity pane. So right away you'll see your options, right? Your vertical offset, like how far, every time you push up and down, how far are you going to move? So we'll put 5 feet. Okay. And this is the center of the right here. But you can actually just go raise or lower from here. You don't need to reset these coordinates. And this is the thickness. Okay. So if we can move the cross section up and down, and again, if you have dual monitors, right, you can have this open to this level. You can zoom in and you can see exactly where this cross section is, right? It's cutting through right there. So then when you move up, say move up to here, you'll see visually it's going right through the building. Okay, so let's close this, not close it, but make it smaller. And we can see here, if you just want to see where the trees are and the building outline, this is great because now we see the building and the trees in the parking lot, and we can maybe lower it, right? And then we can maybe, let's make it 10 feet as the thickness. Hit apply. And we can see the cross-section is larger and it exposes more things. Right? Like there's all the trees, the building, and then all the shrubbery. We can keep on going down, and here's the road minus the what's above it. Right? We can go down again, and here's just the road, and then we can maybe decrease the thickness to 5. Okay? And you can see here that this exposes all this roadway but blocks everything else out. And if we go up, again, we're back to this view where we see just the building outline. So you can move in here and then code your points of this building, let's say, and then move it down, right? And then maybe grab the trees, find where the trees are, you know, code all those. This is the framework of the building as it got scanned. So we continue moving down. Now we see the ground right around the building there. So experiment around with this a little bit. It's a good tool. You can also use your aerial view to, of course, change where you're actually focused on here. And again, you can use this in conjunction with placing a point, right? You can just use your coding with the vertical cross-section. And it gives you the ability to, while you're in a constrained view, it gives you the ability to go ahead and click points and place them. So in this case, I have closest point. Maybe I'll place some line work here. I'm going to say begin line, or I can use a code-driven line work command. And you can just see, you can just go along. You can focus in here to place points more accurately, right? And the point is to just, do your coding based on where these lines go based on the cross-section, right? So after you've placed them, you can then go along to the next cross-section. Maybe you want to do the ground or something. So use it in conjunction with your cross-section. You've also got your ISO views here to show you where you've picked. And in this, you wouldn't have to worry about too much about what elevation you're picking in, because when you export, you probably just pick flatten, right? So it would just give you the horizontals. Horizontal cross-section.